At night, the geothermal heat pump system, in which the refrigerant circulates through copper tubing placed in the ground, exchanges heat directly with the soil through the walls of the copper tubing, which is used to convert the water to ice in the ice storage box. The ice produced during geothermal heat pump system is used to cool the building throughout the daytime. Cool air is dispersed to the zone through the radiant flooring systems, while the diffusers suck the hot air out of the zonal atmosphere. Our building simulation analysis involves the following steps to ensure accurate output: understanding the region and its climate conditions. A building information model of the structure is created. A building orientation analysis is conducted to determine the optimum building orientation. A shadow analysis is performed to study the shadow effects of surrounding structures on the building. A reflection analysis is then done to study the sun path for the site. A solar analysis, lighting analysis, and solar radiation study is also performed at this stage. An energy analysis is executed to estimate the energy usage of the building. An acoustics analysis is conducted to study the flow of sound within the building. A fire and smoke analysis is administered out to study the movement of smoke in the event of a fire in the building. A computation fluid dynamics analysis is performed to study the ventilation and airflow pattern of the building. A life cycle analysis is conducted to determine the building's environmental and economic performance throughout its life. CFCs are the root cause of serious environmental and health problems. Zero use of CFC and HFC-based refrigerants in Luxottica reduces ozone depletion and global warming. This way, we create no harm to the Mother Earth. Luxottica's total energy use is through the use of on-site non-polluting renewable energy systems such as BIPV. We have also employed high-temperature solar panels on the rooftop, geothermal and wind technologies on-site. We can observe a solar energy system converting solar energy into electricity, which is used to operate the building. The use of such renewable energy reduces environmental impacts such as natural resource destruction, air pollution, and water pollution. Installing solar panels off-site encourages investments in off-site renewable energy. This helps in supplying power equivalent to 50% of the total energy requirement of the building anywhere in the country. Aid the reduction of waste generated by building occupants, that is heaved to and disposed of in landfills. An easily accessible area that serves Luxottica is dedicated to the separation, collection and storage of materials including glass, liquids and metals. "20 to 50% of the building materials and products used are extracted and manufactured within the region, thereby supporting the regional economy and reducing the environmental impacts resulting from transportation." Rapidly renewable building materials made from plants such as bamboo that are typically harvested within a 10-year cycle or shorter are used in Luxottica. In Luxottica, we have used 50% of the total value of wood-based materials which are FSC certified. This way, we encourage environment responsible forest management. Natural ventilation is the process of supplying and removing air through an indoor space by natural means. The exterior designated areas for smoking, printers, and urinals are designed with operable windows, increased thermal mass, and other architectural elements which allows passive ventilation and space conditioning. These areas should be 25 feet from other areas to avoid indoor air contamination. A large number of building products contain compounds that have a negative impact on indoor air quality and the Earth's atmosphere. We have used low VOC products that improve indoor air quality during the construction process as well as over the lifetime of the building. Day lighting improves the indoor environment of buildings by exposing occupants to natural light. A well-designed day-lit building is estimated to reduce lighting energy use by 50 to 80%. Luxottica provides a connection between indoor spaces and the outdoors through the introduction of daylight and views into the regularly occupied areas of the building to the building occupants. Maximum daylight, minimum heat. Stop complaining and being miserable. Start doing something you're capable. Surmount the smart and sustainable seizes this chance to build the earth so able. Now let us join hands for this noble venture. Until we care an awful lot, nothing's gonna get better, it's not.